So we took Mocha Madness and the kids up to see the new Tesla store opening in Gainesville, Florida. And this is a perfect location and was desperately needed for this area so we can get service without driving all the way to Orlando, which is about 90 miles away. Now it's only about 50 miles away. Now I do most of my repair work at Electrified Garage, but it is nice to know that I have a Tesla store a lot closer. It was really cool. We had a bunch of our friends show up with their Cybertrucks and Tesla Model S's and Tesla Model 3s. Of course, I had my 2013 Model S, and another friend of mine drove his 2013 Model S up here. So we had a really good showing up here. I really am still going back and forth between the Y and the X. Everybody says get the Y, it's cheaper repairs, but this third row just kills. Zenica's was getting in the back here with me, and it was really, really claustrophobic. Even Zenica, who's only 7 years old, I think in 2 years she'll definitely outgrow this third row seat. You can see here her leg room. I mean, she's 7 years old, so I just don't think this third row is really conducive to her for very long. So in addition to the new Tesla store, Gainesville's also getting a couple of added supercharging stations. So they're going to have a total of 4 supercharging stations. Ocala's going to have, I think, 3 additional supercharging stations soon, if you count the new Buc-ee's, which is going to have, I believe, 28 stalls. So we have a lot of charging coming to Central Florida, and it's going to be really nice. Now, what was neat about this store is, I expected to see a lot more inventory, but there really weren't a lot of Teslas here. I don't know if it's just because it's so brand new, wow, this is really nice. But we had almost free range of the service center back here. And we did see a couple Model X's with their packs down. Looks like they were getting brand new battery packs. And they were probably like 2016, 2017 Model X's back here. So let me know if you guys are in the market for a 3-row electric SUV. What are you guys looking at? I've test drove the EV9. I've test drove, of course, the Model X and the Model Y. There's really not a lot of other options. There's the Mercedes EQS SUV that has 3 rows. But as far as, a used SUV in the, say, $30,000 range with 3 rows of seating, really it's only the Model X and the Model Y. And so that's really the tough choice. I really love the square shape of the EV9. Of course, in the more expensive territory, you could find a used Rivian R1S or even the brand new Lucid Gravity SUV. But like I said, for the $30,000 I want to spend on a used vehicle, I'm looking at a Model X, probably a 2020. But like I said, these doors are so cool, yet can be so expensive to fix. I just love the comfort of this interior. And this Model X with the white interior really, really sets it off. The other thing I love is the ability to tow, because you can tow up to 5,000 pounds with these, which is going to be nice because, if I ever get a little landscaping trailer or tow a small boat just around, that would be really convenient. And then with my 116-mile commute, it would be a lot more comfortable in the Model X with its air suspension and higher profile sidewalls and things like that. Plus you're a little higher off the ground, which is great. We saw several of these candy apple red Teslas. I think they call it multi-coat red, but they are absolutely gorgeous. It's got it looks burgundy at night, but during the day it's like a candy apple red. Very cool colors. It was kind of neat to have the oldest Tesla on the lot. We had several people come up to us saying, "What's this metallic color you have? We've never seen that before." Afterwards, we took the car to get a quick wash and get it cleaned up. With it being ceramic coated, I don't worry about the car wash hurting it as much. But it's amazing. I still don't have any leaks with the sunroof, which is pretty cool. And the kids love the car wash too. Now, most of the time I do hand wash it though. thanks for watching. And if you guys have any questions about electric cars or any of the incentives that might be going away, just put them in the chat and we'll talk about it. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to Bryce's channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.